Maaga pa kasi mga soup.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga soups. Good morning. Aalis muna ako. Tulog pa si Mimi. Medyo maaga pa kasi mga soup. So alam naman ni Andy nga alis ako. Balay, naantay ko lang yung mother-in-law ko. Parating. Alis na ako mga zoobs. See you later. So ayun na nga mga zoobs. Magandang araw sa inyo. So early today kasi may gagawin ako mga errands na kailangan kong gawin. Kaya nagpasama ako kay Ola. And iniantay ko na siya ngayon dito sa labas. Lumabas na ako kasi baka magising pa si Mimi, hindi ako makalabas. Kaya, ano ako, inaantay ko na si Ola. Malapit na siya. And then after nito, I have to come back agad. Maybe we can have coffee. Pero I have to come back kasi swimming lesson ng mga bata. Hindi ko pa naayos yung mga gamit. Kasi nga, babalik pa naman ako. Anyway, see you. See you in the car. Wait muna tayo dito. Lakad nga tayo ng konti. Ang ganda ng ang umaga natin mga zoobs kasi ayan mainit yung araw pero malamig ang hangin. Yan ang paborito ko. Hindi ko ma-text si Ola kasi alam ko nagda-drive siya. Pero kanina niya pa kasi sinabi na pupunta na siya. So, she should be here anytime. Sorry, medyo namamaga pa yung mata ko. I think, ito na siya. Ito na nga. Sige, see you. So, ito yung parking namin, guys. Ayan siya, kalagpas. Andito na kami, bahala ka dyan. Ayusin mo yung parking. Ayaw niya ayusin. Bawal na mag-vlog sa loob. Hi mga zoobs! Natapos na ang date namin ni Ola. Kaya napag-isipan ko munang mag-gym kasi tulog pa si Andy at Mimi. Kaya ito, gagamitin ko yung free time ko para matapos na rin to dahil mamaya busy na naman kami. Dahil may swimming lesson and ang daming work later. Kaya ito na, papasok na ako sa gym. Tapos na tayo sa gym at ngayon naman na-pick up ko ng mga bagets dahil nga sabi ko sa inyo Wednesday ayan swimming lesson nila at papunta na kami doon ngayon. Ayan o, mga naka-ready na. Si Lele sa kotse na kumakain dahil medyo late. And you? Kumain ka na ba? Kumain ka na eh. Yeah. Ito na. Ganda ng panahon ngayon. Sobra. Sunny. You eat noodles?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sarap?
I'm not flipping.
Masarap?
Yeah. You're not flipping yet.
I'm not sleeping yet.
Yeah, you're in the gym.
Yeah, I went to the gym while Mimi's asleep. Yun ang sabi ko sa kanya kanina.
I'm crying.
You cried? Did she cry, Daddy?
A little bit. She went back to sleep.
Oh, wow. Sabi ko, parang late na. Tulog pa kayo. Galing-galing naman ng Mimi ko.
We went to the gym at that time. We went
So,
there.
ito. And after this, ano bang lakad natin ngayon, Daddy? Wala naman.
It's Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Wala masyado. At least maaga natapos yung gym ko. Makaka-gym agad si Andy. Maaga matatapos ang
I don't
araw.
know this.
Yeah. Kasi mahaba ang araw ko today dahil marami akong gagawin sa Bigo. And hopefully, matapos ko yung swimming bago ko gawin yung mga gagawin doon dahil medyo matagal-tagal yun. Sleepy na ikaw, Mims? You just woke up, man. Never get enough. Yan ang Bunnings. Dito kami sa shortcut dahil malapit-lapit na dito yung parking. Tapos maglalakad kami.
There, look.
Talaga?
Look there.
I wonder when that event is
Look
again.
there.
Di ba
That
parang...
was winter.
Where that?
Parang winter.
Hindi, babe. Ano yun?
The spring.
Mali kayo parehas. Fall yun dahil... tawag dito? Easter Bunny yun eh. Tapos na.
I love Easter bunnies.
Talaga?
The Easter bunny is there. Over there.
Over
And
there.
there are some animals.
Yan ang parking dito, guys.
Animals. And I
So,
see
ayan ang
their
mall.
tail.
Mall yan.
And their tail.
Ayan. Dito kami sa katabi ng mall.
Wait, It's not
Magpa-park.
there.
Okay, we're here. Park lang kami mga zoo.
I'm Sheila.
You're silaw. Mimi is silaw, mga zoobs. Kasi ang ganda nga ng araw. Ay! Nalaglag yung phone mo, Daddy. Grabe, oh. Sa ano? Sa camera, it's like orange.
Oh yeah, it is.
Diba? Gusto mo picture, Lele? Gusto mo picture?
Yeah.
You give me feelings. I wanna be with you.
Alrighty guys, looks like quite a lot of people in the gym, but let's get it done. Just got done with the gym, guys, and what a killer session. I did legs, my least favorite, but I'm trying to make it in my mind one of my favorites. But yeah, I did kill it, so that's a good start. But yeah, anyway, it's been a very, very busy day today. As you saw, Diana took off this morning. She had a bunch of errands to do, and she got her gym done early, which is great. Hopefully we can continue with that type of routine. So I was with Mimi all morning, but we did wake up quite late. I think we got up just before 1 p.m. So she actually woke up and she realized Diana was gone. She cried a little bit, maybe like 1 minute, and I told her, let's just sleep. And she did. She fell asleep with me for another hour almost, and then we got up and started our day. She was very good. She didn't, ate her breakfast, and we just hung out until we had to get Mum from the gym. And then we picked up Aaliyah. Well, actually Diana picked up Aaliyah, and then we went off to swimming. So the kids are doing amazing at swimming. It's so nice to see Mimi so confident in the water, and Aaliyah is like excelling like crazy. She's already in another group. She's already advanced. So yeah, then we went to my mum's and we picked up a bunch of food. So she cooked sausages, beef steak, and a few other healthy things. I think there was salad there as well. So that's what I'm going to eat now when I get home. Of course, after a good session, you got to get some good food in. But yeah, and thank you guys for all the good comments about our fitness journey so far. So we're going to be sharing that with you soon. And we're also sharing a new piece of content. I'm not sure if we're going to call it a show, but hopefully, I don't know if I'm going to air it this Thursday or baka next Thursday. So let's see. But I'm excited to put that out. We shot that the other day. And what else is on the horizon? a lot's happening actually. So yeah, pretty happy that we're having all these really busy days. We have another busy day lined up tomorrow, but yeah, got to get home and eat first. And I believe we do need to clean because the house is a bit, as usual, a mess because of Mimi for the most part. So yeah, I'm gonna eat and get some good rest. And I forgot to mention, I'm not sure if I've spoke about this in the previous vlogs, but our new gym is about to, well, it's not a new gym. The old gym we used to go to is about to reopen. They had 3 months of renovations and we are so excited. It's our last few days here at Anytime Fitness. I'm pretty sure once we step back into Revo, there's a good chance we're not coming back to Anytime, sadly. Revo, I've seen the pictures and I've seen the updates and it looks absolutely incredible. So I'm excited to start shooting content there and yeah, getting back to our old routine and, you know, seeing some familiar faces, I guess, as well. But most important, getting back to good shape. There's going to be some new machines there, so hopefully things that I haven't tried before. But yeah, the new areas look really, really good, so we're pretty excited about that.